Alright, now we get it on video. But we got a lot of traffic, so you can't really run it through for you. My 1980 Yamaha Xs850 car. Yeah. Go to the boat. Yeah, I'm in town now, so I really can't run it up there, but it sounds like a missile. Ready? Love that whistle. Love it. I saw the miserable Chucky Murray who left like 3 years ago because I didn't believe in global warming and he yelled at me, right? He's walking, he don't even look like he's with us. He's like stoned out or something. He's bigger than he's ever been and continues to go to the gym. Everybody that goes to the gym seems to be in worse shape than the guy who works out back. Ooh.